Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2021 Harris 250 Crowne. This is the 2021 Harris 250 Crowne. That's the fiberglass shell. It gives the Crowne its distinctive look on the water. Ample seating in the bow area, port and starboard side. Has armrests on each side. In-floor ski locker. That's the real nice tower. Its power actually will drop down. Has the see-through plexiglass windshield. Has the Simrad in-dash chart plotter, navigation, with all of your charging ports and accessories. JL audio stereo system. High back captain chairs with dual armrests. Ample cup holders with lights all throughout the boat. There's two there, there's another couple here. More in the bow, each side. Side door entry. More cup holders. This is powered with a Mercury 300 Verado 4-stroke engine. Has the single rear-facing or forward-facing seat. All of the stainless hardware allows you to sit in the rear of the boat while the boat is underway. Has a step, drops down into the water. And it has a 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder. This is the 2021 Harris 250 Crowne. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Harris or any of the others that we carry in our inventory. Thank you.